You open your Google Drive and immediately feel a knot in your stomach. Every time you log in, there are endless duplicates, copy, 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 files you don't recognize, and folders you're too afraid to touch. You're embarrassed. If this is you, you've probably been asking the same question my client Rosemary kept asking me. How did it get to be like this? Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a Google certified trainer and professional organizer. I empower business owners with Google solutions to help you save time, reduce clicks, and get your digital house in order. Here's the truth. It's not your fault. That digital mess isn't a sign that you're disorganized. It's a symptom that your business did exactly what it was supposed to do. It grew. You simply didn't have a foundational system in place at the beginning. Many of my clients feel like Michelle, who felt sick to her stomach at the thought of giving her assistant access to her Google Drive because she was so embarrassed by the mess. You deserve to feel confident, not embarrassed. Before we dive into the solution, hit that subscribe button and comment below. What's the one folder or drive you're most afraid to share right now? When you started your business, you were one person with some ideas. One simple account and some folders was all you needed. But over time, your business evolved and changed. You acquired clients, you brought on a team, and you experimented with a bunch of different organizational systems, which led to your current hot mess of folders that don't make sense for your business as it is right now. The problem isn't you. It's that the system you created wasn't built to support the business you have today. You need an organizational system that can grow with you. The solution? Breaking up your business files into a few logical shared drives based on business functions will ensure that your system can scale. This strategy also allows someone else to help you organize the files too. Knowing that your current mess is a normal sign of business growth can calm your feelings and give you enough confidence to hand off the job of organizing your files to someone else. There's no need to spend 10 hours cleaning up your files yourself when you have more important things to do. When you're ready to stop asking yourself, how did it get like this? Schedule a clarity call with me. Together, we can create a foundational system so your files can be organized by you or confidently delegated to your assistant. I look forward to helping you succeed.